Penya. Sama beli sama bawa Penya. Keke.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
It's so good to be vlogging out.
We've missed you guys. What have we been up to?
It's super smoky.
There's smoke involved. So there's over 550 fires in BC alone, which makes for a very smoky afternoon, morning, and evening.
Last night I woke up in the middle of the night and I was all like clogged up, and I kept thinking, oh, this smoke's not affecting me, but I think a week in this crazy smoke is starting to affect me.
Okay, let's eat, get up, make the bed.
Exciting day today.
Oh yeah, forgot to mention, exciting day today. Probably the best day ever.
Best day ever.
Is anybody else like me when they get a new pair of shorts and it's all they wear and they think, how did I even survive without these pair of shorts? So we made this beautiful overnight oat medley, and there'll be a link right here. You want to find out how to make it.
Buddy's always plugging the Freestyle Fridays.
Buddy with those links, huh?
How's breakfast? My little monkey. What kind of tea are we having this morning, Boo?
Nothing but the best. Chai walla chai.
Chai walla chai.
This breakfast is amazing.
At this point, you guys know that we're hanging out with Hey Nadine. Nadine is one of the first YouTubers I ever really discovered years and years and years ago.
Hey, I'm Nadine.
Exactly. She had this really cool channel trailer where she was talking about basically her travel and had like this montage of where she'd been. I just thought she looked like a really super rad dope person. And then the other day I was on Instagram and I realized I wasn't following her and it said follow back.
Hello, Nadine was following you.
My heart melted. Thank you for the background.
All right, our friends just rolled in. Welcome to Walmart.
Woo-hoo-hoo, Walmart.
Hello, Nadine. How are you? What's up, Matt?
Good morning.
How are you, buddy?
Good, how are you doing?
Good to see you. The squad is rolling in the Sprinter because we're showing these guys what it's like to van life for the day here in Kelowna.
Tour guide's having a blast back there.
The funny thing is they've got like a really nice 4x4 Subaru. And I'm just like, no, we gotta give them the van experience. Okay, we survived. Apparently, if you come up to the top, what is this called, the mountain?
Myra Canyon.
So Myra Canyon.
Yeah.
If you make it to the top here, you can rent bikes.
So a better prepared tour guide would have
Planned this, maybe? So I'm a little concerned just based on how many vehicles are here. But that's a risk we're gonna take. Hey, what are you doing?
Walking the car.
Oh, that's helpful.
It'll be funny for the vlog. Yeah. I'm in.
I mean, whatever floats your boat, right?
Eamon has always made fun of me forever suggesting tandem, and then today he's like, do you want to do a tandem bike?
Today is the day, babe.
You ready? Oh, that's great. Here we go. Oh my God. Have a good ride, guys. Woo!
Break. This is what dreams are made of right here.
This is real nice. Wow, I have so much power from you. Wow!
It's like an e-bike.
Wow, Eamon, I can't pedal that fast.
Let's go! You guys are the best tandem partners.
This is how Eamon styled his hair this afternoon. So
I call it pineapple at the back.
We're calling it the pineapple at the back, the peanut at the back.
Come on, babe, we gotta catch these guys.
Okay.
Hair is down. Becca is in control. I have no more control. So I'm basically hands-free back here, just hanging out.
We're heading back to the van for some lunch.
We've finished up with the bikes, returned the, okay, hold on a second here.
Words.
Words. We've returned our beautiful tandem bikes. We've had an amazing afternoon out on the Myra Canyon trail. Did you just knock your head so hard?
No, just a tap.
Oh, our new guests are just getting used to the van, so, yep. You do it once or twice, you'll never do it again. You're good. You got the gangster lean going. So we've decided that these guys were our hosts and they were gonna show us a good time in Kelowna. Well, then we had to feed them a good time, if that makes any sense at all.
The Bec's on tortillas?
Yeah, I like doing this job.
Yeah.
I like when everyone's like well fed and
Taken care of?
Taken
That's the
care
mother instincts in you, huh?
it is. Yeah,
That's
then
Jerry
I can
coming
sit.
out.
I know. Hey, Mom.
We're trying to make plans. We are looking at figuring out if they have aqua bikes.
That wasn't a good face.
Really? Okay.
Bad face.
We were gonna do first time tandem biking and first time aqua
Biking.
biking. I almost said aqua dump.
Okay, and so you don't think you're going
Aqua biking? Which is like a bike along the surface of the water, which looked really fun, but it sounds like it's too
Have you ever
windy.
had an aqua dump?
You think I'd look good in Nadine's hat?
Everyone looks good in this hat.
Babe, you look cute and everything.
Is
so
this my new look?
It's pretty
I
cute.
would love a hat that I could like not worry about the brim. Am I wearing it too low?
You can wear it
I
however
can't
you
see
want.
it! No, this doesn't suit me.
No, it doesn't.
You guys are just, you guys are trying to make me feel good. This doesn't look good.
We just realized it's 6 o'clock. So we're gonna get out of this biking... What is this? A parking lot that no one else is in.
The tandem bike people, don't worry.
yeah, exactly.
They're weird anyway.
Okay, we're gonna go to the beach.
Yeah, I'm excited.
What's
That's
up?
what Kelowna's known for, right?
Yeah.
Beach,
Wine.
wine,
Golf.
Golf.
Okay, so we don't really drink all that much and we definitely don't play golf. So we gotta go to the beach. Beach it is.
Let's go. Concerned, because that's not even my brakes. Look, no brakes.
Oh gosh.
Whoa.
Whoa, okay, I'm gonna pull over.
Does it go all the way to the right?
Ah, that is brutal.
Change when you're like steering?
It sounds so bad.
That's brutal.
We were just reiterating that we just took the van into the shop.
Oh.
That's gone?
Wait, slow down. Like,
Yeah.
We lost it.
Yeah, it could have just been a rock stuck in there.
wait, is it?
It's gone.
People are gonna think we faked that for the vlog.
How do we clickbait the thumbnail though? What is that squeaking?
No, seriously?
I mean, that was really, it sounded awful. Like, it literally sounded like
Yeah, I
death.
think you're right, dude. I think it was it must have been stuck in the router.
Matt said that a few times. Let's give Matt a round of applause.
Mechanic man.
He's a cameraman, Matt, mechanic, Matt. What don't you do?
He doesn't vlog enough.
He doesn't get in front of the screen enough. I just had a moment of absolute panic, thinking like, oh my gosh, we have to get across the country. Now we have a massive brake or something problem, but okay. Okay. Fingers crossed?
We're good, dude.
Okay.
Back to the beach.
And then like my water bottle track, we just like,
So good.
like I have like a,
Hot water.
or not like a water bottle, but like it's like the one of the like water bottles.
Yeah, just a water bottle.
Yeah.
No, but like it's like.
Oh, an actual water bottle.
Like,
We made it to the beach. It is beautiful at the beach. It is unusually windy. It's not usually
smoky, unusually cold.
Yeah, I don't really know what's happening here.
We're wearing sweaters.
Yeah.
You can probably barely hear us, and we can barely see the mountains. But we're having a great time.
It looks like the ocean right now. It's so choppy.
Yeah.
And that's why we couldn't rent our
Okay,
boat.
not gonna lie, for a second I thought maybe it might be the ocean water, but I didn't know how that would work.
Yeah, no, it's the lake.
We can edit that out.
This was our beach plan.
Yes. But I understand now. The lady on the phone said it's too windy, and we were all like, nah, it can't be that windy.
Turns out it can't be that
It's too windy.
Hi there, do you guys have the Beyond Meat burgers? Yeah, we just got it back in today. You just got them in, so if we ordered a burger? So do you have like 4 burgers in stock? We do. Alright, awesome.
We'll see you soon.
We're gonna come in. I think. Okay, great. Excellent. Bye.
We are finished eating and we're saying goodbye to our new friends here.
Till next time.
If you guys haven't already, jump over to their channel. We did a video on their channel as well. Give them some love. And
the video's such a good one because it's a rapid fire Q&A type thing where we give
she grills us.
really good answers, I think, to anyone who might be interested in van life.
Yeah.
And Nadine is someone you want to check out for lots of good, fun travel content. I've been watching her for years and years and years. So
her and Matt
so fun
literally crushed the world. Like
Yeah.
they're going to France on Monday.
Yeah.
So.
Sorry we can't be lifelong friends because these guys are just traversing the world too much. We can't keep
We're
up.
gonna get our van life though.
Yes.
Like Europe.
Yeah.
Van Life Europe. You heard it here first. Alright, peace out guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be at you Wednesday.
Okay.
Peace.
The teller converter is on.